Look at the front door. I just noticed how raggedy it looks. I'm changing the front door. The house gonna get an upgrade. But anyway, y'all, this is my empty townhouse tour. Are y'all ready?
I met this pretty yellow bitch, her name was Jasmine. She said I'm 10 times richer than the last man. I get like
this is the foyer area if you was coming from the front. I want to show you the front porch, but that's just like, people know the area I stay in now, and they nosy. Okay, so when you come in, this is the foyer, and this is the floor. I don't like it, and y'all know it's gonna get changed. These are the stairs. I hate the color, and we go up. We go up. Right here we could put pictures all along the wall. We could. Right here it has like a banister or you know, where you stand. Y'all gonna be so like, what the fuck, Jazz? Okay, so like this is when you come upstairs, and it has a window right here. And if you go this way, and when you leave out, here's your balcony. And this is my favorite part of the house, y'all, other than my bathroom tub. After I finally get the door open, god damn, I'm struggling. I come out and boom, I have a front porch. It's a balcony. I have 2 front porches. And this is the door to the balcony area, and it's all brick. It feels like I'm in like a city, New York or something. Look at it. And I did move to a different city for y'all that were wondering. Now, this is the room right here that's gonna be my room, and you know why? Because all the windows in here provide natural lighting, and I love it. And the floors are ugly as fuck. Get some floors in here as soon as possible. I want a clear door somewhere in my house. And right here where the ceiling fan is, got it? You need me to help you? Oh my god, y'all. Okay, I guess this would be like the it looked like a dining room because of the ceiling fan. A bitch like me would take that whole ceiling fan up, and I would, yeah, install a chandelier if I changed this to a room. So yeah, that's weird. So nice. This room right here is gonna be my son's room, right by the kitchen. He got a big ass room. Look at how much space he got. So much space for his video games. I'm gonna put his TV on the wall. He got a big ass TV for his computer, his toys, his bed. Gonna paint. He gonna be happy. This is the kitchen. I love it. I love the kitchen, y'all. So right here are the cabinets, and they just like ugly as fuck right now. I already got the knobs for it. I already know what paint I'm gonna use. I already got the stripper. I don't even know what he painted them that color. He could have left them shits brown. So I'm gonna strip that shit off. And then the hot water tank is exposed for everyone to see. You can, I mean, that's why it was so cheap for this place, because he didn't get everything that he could have got. Floors aren't that bad, but they just not my style. I never ever have floors that look like this in my life. And they kind of look like marble. They look good on my camera. My camera make everything look good, because in person they look like shit. And I'm changing those as well. And let me get out of the bathroom before we go outside. And then this little area right in front of the kitchen is where the washer and the dryer would go. And you put the washer, I'm gonna get the stackable ones, I think, where they go on top of each other right here. And then I'm gonna probably add like some like essential items and laundry cabinets and shit like that to fold my laundry on that don't take up too much space. Right here is a closet with something in it. It's like one of those closets that have like the heat thing in it, because I got central air in it, heat. This is just a regular closet with, ooh, I can put coats and shit. I like it, yeah, because I'm gonna need this. I think the reason he left these ugly closets in here, because these are not mine. But I might leave this for Buddy. It's because he don't have a closet in his place. But I don't care about that because I use garment racks. Now, there's one more closet in the hallway. Ooh, and he got a broom in here, a kitchen set. No wonder this place was so cheap, y'all. And look, he used the same method I used to put them floors down. Why would he do that? Look, evidence. Evidence. My battery about to die. I gotta show y'all the bathroom. Look, this is how I put my kitchen floors down, y'all. He used the stick-on. Matter of fact, I didn't even use the stick-on ones for my kitchen floor. I used interlock. But I saw the stick-on ones. That's cheap. But at least I know I'm gonna pull that shit right up and put down some real floors. That's pretty cool. I'm glad I know that. And now, the bathroom. This is my favorite part. Y'all gonna be like I'm weird because the bathroom is so, it's all this house and the bathroom is tiny. But y'all know I'm gonna do a tiny bathroom makeover and that shit is gonna get me views. So look at the floor. It's the same floor as the kitchen. I hate it so much. The ugly ass sink. Look at this sink, guys. I mean, it's so ugly. 2 faucets. I never. But you know what? It's kind of cute. And I'm going to build a cabinet around this. Or I may buy a cabinet to go around this. And I like the mirror that he has. But I'm going to change that mirror. I'm going to put this mirror in my sunroom. Yep, because it's easy to come off the wall. And I'm going to put a different mirror right here. Changing the floor ASAP. And this bathroom has a window. As you can see my back porch. My last bathroom in that apartment did not have no windows. And I don't like shit like that. They got a light in the roof. And then it has this old school shower head looking type of thing. Like when they first made showers ever. And then, or it looked like he added a shower attachment to this tub. That's what it looked like. And then I have this old school bathtub that curls around the edges and it sits on feet. I'm gonna reglaze the bathtub. It's gonna take 2 days for it to dry because I reglazed my apartment bathtub because I refuse to take a bath in anybody's bathtub until I reglaze it because I'm weird. And yeah, this toilet. I can't wait to buy a house, y'all. And when I buy a house, I'm gonna do everything new. I need to build a house from the ground up, literally. He left old tissue in here that's going in the trash. The toilet is just a regular ugly ass toilet. Around it looks crazy, and that's why I gotta change the floors. This bathroom will look like a whole new bathroom when I'm done. I'm gonna add tile, flooring, tile, paint, because the paint is yellow. I'm gonna make it white. I changed the mirror and add a sink cabinet. And that bathroom gonna look like a whole new bathroom, I promise you. And now for the last part of the house, and then I'm done. And I can help my friend move my stuff in the house. Cause he out there moving that shit by himself. Hold on. Ooh, it's so hard to open the doors around here. Somebody had ADT security, but I got Verizon. So that gotta go. Verizon gonna come check all that shit. Hey. He coming up here. Don't come up here. Hey. Are you friendly? You look friendly. You look friendly. I'm not scared of you. Yeah, you look friendly. Yeah, you're friendly. That's my neighbor's dog. And it's so cute. Aw, you're so cute. You're the cutest dog I ever seen. Aw, that is a nice dog. Anyway, I have a balcony. It is all blue, just like the front porch. And it's a little bit smaller than the front one. But this one has stairs and it leads down to my, I have neighbors downstairs. Look at their dog trying to come up here and play with me. They got a well-behaved dog. It will not even come up the stairs. I like that. You're so cute. Look at it. So cute.